Up close and personal में हम आज मिलेंगे with a very accomplished lady. She's a guest on set. Her name is Hanish Qureshi. She's a realtor and a founder and managing director of the Titans Realty. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm amazing.
Amazing. Okay, great. And you know, it's amazing because मैंने इससे पहले कभी किसी का इंटरव्यू नहीं किया जो कि एक औरत हो रियल एस्टेट में. I've heard a lot about it, but I've never really heard of a lady actually choosing this as a profession. So were you always into this?
Honestly, no.
अच्छा, what have you done before? Journey कैसे शुरू हुई?
I have been a hustler.
Okay.
That's all I could say.
Yeah.
So, my industry was fashion. That's where I started from.
Oh wow, that's quite a shift.
I was a dropout of fashion. Didn't complete my degree. I was
Acha.
more passionate about getting to know how designs could be, how basically it was art.
अच्छा.
Initially थोड़ा था कि acting करूं.
हाँ.
लेकिन अब्बा की तरफ से थोड़ा था कि with time maybe when you're mature.
Of course.
But it kept on evolving because when there's art in you, you can change.
Of course.
some
And the
sort
thing is that art can actually express in many ways.
Exactly.
चाहे वो fashion हो, makeup हो, घर हो.
So it kept on evolving from styling, from I've done a lot of things. I work with designers, but over the past 5 years, I've been into real estate now. I was calculating the time. I was not even sure. I was stuck since last 2 years. I was saying 3.5 years.
उस बात को भी काफी टाइम हो गया.
उस बात को भी काफी टाइम हो गया.
जबरदस्त, जबरदस्त. So as long as you caught yourself in that moment.
Yeah.
अच्छा, so how is it? You know, मैं actually बहुत male dominated industry है, and I was telling you in the commercial break as well before we started कि having lived in Dubai for so many years, I realized वहाँ पे तो औरतें बहुत मजे से ये काम कर रही होती हैं, and I think there's a lot more respect.
Honestly, why they're successful? Western culture, UAE, because they have inclusive model.
Yeah.
There's a very collaborative environment because brain does not have a gender.
Yeah.
That's what we need to realize as a nation and as a culture, that if we start using each other's strength as both men and women and help each other to grow, maybe we can go really
We can
forward.
all grow together, collective.
Not just real estate business, we can talk about any industry.
Yeah, of
you
course.
pick it.
Of course.
Entrepreneurship, if you have women around you, they will add value. The same way, if you have men around you, they will give you that protection.
Absolutely.
So it's
But do you feel like as if कि यार Rija, you know, this is a very male dominated industry और मैंने कर तो लिया, but there are days when I'm just like, why did I do this?
It happened earlier.
Okay.
But the more I started enjoying real estate, I came to a point where I was like, अच्छा अब ये मुझे रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, now I'll do it more.
Oh wow, तो basically अगर आपसे कोई काम कराना है आपको रोक लें.
बहुत लोगों ने कोशिश की है.
How
honestly.
lovely. How lovely. No, but listen, that's great. And you feel like you found your calling? Do you feel like this is your calling?
I think it's a purpose and calling both.
Okay.
Because Allah आपको कोई ना कोई जरिया आप जरिया बन जाते हो कुछ लोगों के लिए, कोई वॉइस बन जाते हो.
Of course.
एक influential factor coming from the family. With a very influential family, I always had eyes on me.
Of course.
So how
and there's a lot of pressure as well because of that, and it's not easy.
इसलिए मैं एक्टिंग में गई भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे बाबा इतने अच्छे एक्टर हैं कि अगर मैं इतना
I'm sure हर किसी की अपनी कला होती है. I'm sure you would have been good had you done that too.
Maybe in future, you never know.
Maybe you never know, and never say never. By the way, you'll be surprised. लोग engineers होते हैं और एकदम से chef बन जाते हैं. I've seen cases like I've done economics, you know, and I'm an astrologist by profession.
Oh wow!
Right, so these things happen as well. I like how this became a little pep talk as well. But chalo, moving on to the fact, what kind of properties are you dealing with?
I'm only dealing in the niche properties right now because audience जो cater आपने करनी होती है वो थोड़ी और filter हो जाती है.
Of course.
As a woman, I feel that going into the city side now, I'm exploring options. Because Allah ने इज़्ज़त बहुत दे दी. Emaar है, it's world's best developer. Emaar Dubai and Emaar Oceanfront Karachi, both they are one of the 8 properties in Pakistan. And then if you talk about Dubai, they are launching every product after every week. मतलब they are opening clusters and they sell out like anything. मतलब it's like a sale of fabric maybe. You
wow.
know?
And do you think हमारी economy में, keeping it very real, इतनी purchasing power है?
If I be very honest, Pakistanis are on the top in buying real estate in UAE. Number 2, India and Pakistan are like both on a.
Wow.
I
But
was surprised to see that.
Do you think it's a smart move to buy property in UAE right now?
100%.
अच्छा.
It's all about supply and demand, right? And Dubai has वहाँ पे जिस तरह की
Supply तो बहुत है.
नहीं,
So does that affect the
पाकिस्तान में
price?
सप्लाई बहुत है. यहाँ पे डिमांड अभी because of inflation and things,
Yeah.
now it's getting better
अच्छा.
because the interest rate has gone down.
अच्छा.
And Caribou rate का I'm sure you have an idea.
Yeah. So basically they are encouraging you कि आप खरीदें.
We are not even encouraging. People are running around like headless chickens in DHA properties. Like ऐसे prices up and high and going, and we have seen how people would scam. That's where I found the gap of doing real estate. Because there's no transparency in the market. There is no honesty. Broker language has become an abuse. How broker treat the clients, how clients treat the brokers.
अच्छा.
That's where we jump in, and we've changed that market norm. Because worldwide realtors are being respected. And by the way, if you look at LA brokers, look at Dubai brokers, I mean, it's a lifestyle that not everybody can afford. And you're basically a stakeholder. I feel if you are associating a house owner or a developer with the right clientele, you're basically the middle person, and you come in with a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
And you keep on learning. I've evolved over time.
Wow.
And
how do you keep up to date? किस तरीके से how do you keep the trends on point? पढ़ती हो, देखती हो, magazines देखती हो.
I read.
Do you talk to people? Are there other girls in the industry with you? Are they competitive या वो support करती हैं? I mean, you know, होता है लड़कियां competitive. कुछ लड़कियां आपको बहुत empower करती हैं, कुछ लड़कियां आपसे insecure होती हैं.
Honestly,
पत्ता काटना, इस तरह की चीजें करना, I'm sure होता होगा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Right? So
I did not even realize, you know, there was a point where coming from a good heart, you feel that she's a friend.
Yeah.
She's like my sister. She's like my mother. You know.
That's exactly when you get stabbed.
Oh, you have no idea. But that's what real estate is, and I realized the political games quite later. And I sat with myself. I processed it because itna drama, matlab, you know, we don't have time. I don't have time for any of that.
Of course.
If I give somebody that amount of respect,
of course.
If it's not reciprocated, I'm
then
like,
there's
okay.
no point. अच्छा, overall coming to the fact कि let's say कितनी लड़कियां you know सोच रही होंगी कि you know if I see her doing it, I can maybe do it. You know there are girls who may be watching you and thinking that. तो आप उनके लिए क्या advice दे सकती हो?
It's a great commodity to explore. I think there's a huge gap in the market. Especially a developer like Emaar, matlab, I'm open out there if you need that support, if you are willing to work as a freelancer. There are a lot of content creators that I tell that I was a content creator too, you know.
Oh, nice. Achha, what were you doing earlier? Content about property only or fashion?
No, I was in fashion, makeup, lifestyle, beauty.
Lovely.
I was a content creator back then, but
people take you seriously?
Some do, some don't. I don't focus on those who don't.
Age factor आता है कि यार ये लड़की से लग रही है, इसको क्या पता होगा?
अच्छा, मुझे अभी भी, हालांकि माशाल्लाह I've turned 31, but
that's not that old.
But it's not that old, but थोड़ा सा age experience add हो जाता है. Whereas when I was 25, 26, when I entered the industry, तो उस टाइम तो बिल्कुल भी सीरियस नहीं लेते थे. And that's not how it should be. I think women with aspirations or men with aspirations.
उसमें कोई उम्र का नंबर नहीं होता.
हाँ, you keep on learning, evolving. Even at this point, if you ask me, मैं भी देखती हूँ ना किसी से कुछ सीखना होता है तो I'm very greedy about learning.
Learning.
कि मुझे कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए, मतलब.
Of course. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, there are seniors in the industry in real estate. You keep learning from them as well.
You keep learning from them, and let's spin that thought.